Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome to today's class, and this is your Prodigy series for CBSE 10th, and this is your second session of the topic triangles, right? So if you all remember, I have already talked about the introduction, and we have talked about angle side angle, and angle side, and side angle side criteria, right? These three criteria we have covered in the first session. So in today's session, we'll be talking about side criteria and RHS criteria. And with this, we'll be completing the criteria for the congruency. And then there will be left one more topic, which will be some properties related to the triangles. Okay, so in that we'll be talking about the properties of isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and so on. All right. So let us move ahead. But let's before I move ahead, we'll be first discussing the homework question, guys. All right. So homework question I gave you was this: L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of lines P and Q. L and M are intersected by P and Q. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle CD. Ab dekho, it's a very easy question. Since these lines are parallel, I can clearly say this angle is equal to this angle, interior alternate angles. Similarly, I can say, sir, this angle and this angle will be equal in interior alternate angles, and this side is the common side. All right, so triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle CDA. All right, ठीक है, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle CDA, and this I can say by angle side angle rule, ASA criteria. ठीक है, एंगल साइड एंगल रूल, इजी, क्लियर. ठीक है, अब इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस इज द ओनली वे, इट कैन बी सॉल्व्ड इन सम अदर वेज एज वेल. All right, so we have got the correct answer. Who are the homework stars? So we have Prince Nirmal Das, Maria Manfred, and NS Gamers. These are the students who are the homework stars. ठीक है guys. All right, so let's move ahead. Now we'll be talking about the SSS and RHS criteria. And then I have told you the third topic will be some properties of a triangle for the third session. Okay, so by the end of this class, beta will be able to solve this question. Okay, don't worry, this question looks difficult, but it is not. Huh? So we'll be discussing how to prove PQ as perpendicular bisector. Don't worry, we'll be doing it in detail. But let's move ahead with some easy questions. Level by level will be increasing. Okay. So guys, if you have not joined Vedanta's Telegram group, please don't forget to do that. Join the Telegram group for all the latest updates. ठीक है, a bit of first is side criteria, and as the name suggests, corresponding sides of one triangle must be equal to another. So if this side and this side is equal, this side and this side is equal, this side and this side is equal, I can say both the triangles will be congruent. Both the triangles will be congruent. Okay, on basis of this, let's solve some question. Okay, let's look at this question, beta. Understand this question very clearly. What does this question says? Two sides AB, BC, and median AM of a triangle are equal to side PQ, QR, and median PN of triangle PQR. All right, so it's given this is equal to this. All right, this complete side BC is equal to complete side QN. Okay, it looks like I'm only talking about BM, but this complete BC is equal to this QR, and AM is equal to PN given. Okay, so first thing we have to prove triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So beta dekho, I know that sir, if BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR given, and here since AM is the median, since AM is the median, I know that BM and MC both will be equal to half of BC. And similarly here also in the second triangle, QN is equal to NR will be both half of QR. Hai, because AM and PN are medians. So I can say if BC is equal to QR, I can also say half of BC is equal to half of QR. And in place of half of BC, I can write BM. And in place of half of QR, I can write QN. Okay, so now guys, first one can be solved very easily. So in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, by first thing, AB is equal to PQ, then BM is equal to QN, and AM is equal to Pn. So which rule it is? Side, side, side rule. I can clearly say, sir, by SSS rule, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. ठीक है? Congruency proved. But once they are congruent, I can clearly say that this angle B and angle Q also will be equal to each other. है ना? I can say angle B is equal to angle Q by CPCT. Why I have told this? Because it will be useful to me in the next result. I have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. ठीक है? So in the second one, I can say in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. By first thing, we know AB is equal to PQ. Second thing, I have got now that angle B is equal to angle Q. And it was given to me that BC is equal to QR. So which criteria it is? By side angle side rule, I can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Alright. So this is how this question will be done. Guys, you can understand this very easy question. ठीक है? First we proved the first part. From that we got angle B is equal to angle Q, and that gives us triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS rule. ठीक है? चलो, let's look at the other question. The second question is this. In figure, it is given that AB is equal to CD. All right, AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. AD. All right, so this AD is equal to BC, and prove that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. So I can say, sir, in triangle ADC and triangle CBA, everything is in front of our eyes. Everything is given. I can say AD is equal to BC. Then I can say, sir, the next thing, AC is equal to AC common. Yes or no? AC is equal to AC common. And then I can say, sir, CD is equal to AB. So which rule it is? I can clearly say, sir, by side, side, side rule, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. ठीक है? So guys, I have told you in the previous class as well that it is very important in geometry to focus on the diagram. Once we got to know that, once we'll focus on the diagram. See, here I saw two sides are already given equal and the third side is the common side. Two sides are already given equal and the third side is the common side for both the triangles. So I know they are going to be congruent. So it is very important to focus on the diagram. Okay guys? Okay bachcho. Now before I move ahead guys, let me tell to you about the Vedantus Pro subscription and how it can be a very say awesome choice for all of you for continuing your preparation. Okay? So guys, they go first thing, whenever you go for any institute or any classes, the first thing you want is you study in such a way that you get to see improvement, right? Now others will tell you ki beta, you join, you can improve, if you'll do this you can improve, but here at Vedantu guys, you get guaranteed improvement. So at Vedantu we give you Vedantu improvement promise, which is nothing but guaranteed improvement. What does it mean? It means that guys, when you join Vedantu, we give you the guarantee that you are going to see improvement in your marks. Only thing we want is you attend 75% of the classes and test. All right, you just take 75% of the classes and test, and we'll make sure you'll see improvement in your marks, and that's our guarantee. And by the guarantee, I clearly mean that if you do not see improvement, your whole course fee will be returned back to you. It's as simple as that. You are coming to Vedantu, you are taking your classes, you'll definitely see improvement. If you don't see it, take the whole course fee back. That's what our promise is. So this is one of a kind promise. And then the next thing is, what are the features of the classes? So guys, first feature is you'll be getting access to unlimited live classes. You can attend as many classes as you want. Also, students will be from the different parts of the world, so you'll be able to understand that where do you actually stand, how much hard work you also need to put in. All right. Then there is an interactive replay. That means even while watching the recording of a class, you can attend the quizzes of that class. You will get marks for that, and you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard if you solve all the questions correctly. Okay. So that clearly means guys, you can understand that Suppose at YouTube, now this class is a recorded class, you cannot attend the quizzes or I cannot take Menti, but that is not possible. Like that is possible on Vedantos Pro subscription. There, even while watching recording, you can attend the quizzes. Okay? Then you'll get notes, tests, assignments, everything at one place. No need to go to thousands of places. Okay? After that, beta, there are unlimited micro courses and crash courses, and which will help you to complete a chapter whenever you want and study a chapter as many times as you want. And also, you can go to the micro courses of different teachers and see how they are teaching, or whatever teacher you are feeling more comfortable with, you can start your preparation with that teacher. All right, guys. So all these many features is available to you at a very low price. All right. So remember, less price, more classes. That's our motto. The link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. The important thing is this magic code GPE Pro, because this magic code is definitely going to give you 10% off, and that is going to be the minimum price at which you'll be getting these courses. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can register. So suppose guys, you have come to this video. Now in this video, you can come to the pinned comment section here, subscribe to Vedanto courses now, or you can go over here, subscribe to Vedanto courses now in the description box. Click on this link, guys. Once you click on this link, you have taken class 9. Now here you can choose your board. All right, let's say I've chosen grade 9 CBSE. Okay, now you have 3 courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Plus. अब देखो Pro Lite में this is the most basic course, and it comes with all the features which I have told you till now. So all the features which I have told you till now, they all come with Pro Lite only, with our most basic course, that is live classes, test series, assignments, notes and doubt solving in the classes. Okay, so you know that in our classes there will be extra teachers present in the class who will be taking care of your doubts, and you'll be connected with them throughout. Okay, then second course is Pro Classic, and guys, you can see the price is changing as soon as the GPE Pro is applied over here. And Pro Lite has one extra feature, and that is doubt solving on mobile app. So when you get any doubt, guys, after the class, you can post the doubts in the doubts app, and you will get the detailed solution and explanation for it. Okay, and here also you can see the price is changing after applying the coupon code GPE Pro. And here you have got one more feature, and that feature is a personal mentor. So personal mentor will act as a rigid support system for all of you. They'll make sure that you are on a path of improvement. Any query you have, academic, non-academic, if needed, they'll take your doubts classes as well. So this is like more personalization. The more like Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus, the level of personalization increases, the level of engagement after class increases. But let me tell you this thing very clearly, classes are same for all. Okay, so it's not like ki Pro Plus students have different classes, Pro Lite students have different classes. Classes are same. The difference is in what happens after the class. Okay, bachcho? So you can join it for 1 month if you want, or you can buy the complete course. Important thing is applying GPE Pro over here in the code to get 10% off. Next thing, when you're buying the complete course, suppose if you cannot pay this fee altogether, don't worry guys, EMI option is also there. So with the help of EMI option, you can just think you're taking it monthly, and it won't be a big hole in your pocket. Okay, now any other doubt which I was not able to answer, guys, you can just go to the bottom of this page and see frequently asked questions, and I'm pretty sure your doubt will be answered. Okay, bachcho. Now if you want to suppose watch that how the sorry, this I am not logged in right now, so you can download the notes, and you can download the what do I say, you can watch the replays of the classes as well. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's go for the next criteria. Next criteria is RHS criteria, and that clearly means right angle hypotenuse side rule. Now the most important thing over here is beta, it is only applicable for right angle triangle. This is only applicable for right angle triangles. ठीक है, so any other triangle you cannot use in this. Okay, now what does it say? First thing, both should be right angle triangles, so right angle is there. R stands for right angle in both. Then their hypotenuse also must be equal. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle, right? So here it is given this side and this side is equal. After that, any side of a right triangle, suppose over here, is equal to any side of other triangle. If that is the case, we can say both the triangles will be congruent. So right angle, hypotenuse, and out of perpendicular base, any one side will be equal to another one. We can say both the triangles are congruent. Okay, now let's see, look at this question. Direct application. P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M. Now देखो बेटा, P is a point and we talk about the distance of a point from a line. Remember, distance of a point from a line is always the perpendicular distance. And since it is saying equidistant, that means distance of this point P from the line L, which is BP, and distance of this point P from the line M, which is CP, perpendicular distance, they are equal. So it is given that BP is equal to CP given. All right, ठीक है? Intersecting at point A, both the lines are intersecting at point A. Show that line AP bisects the angle between them. ठीक है? So the line AP is bisecting the angle between them, between angle between the lines. We have to prove this. Angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. This we need to prove. So how can I prove it? So first, obviously, we'll prove the congruency of both, right? So I can say, sir, in triangle BAP and triangle CAP. देखो, first thing बच्चा, all of us know that angle B is equal to angle C, both are 90 degree. This is your right angle. Then hypotenuse, so AP is the common side. AP is equal to AP. It is the common side and it is the hypotenuse. And then any other side, so I can say, sir, BP is equal to CP given, right? So I can clearly say, sir, by right angle hypotenuse side rule, triangle BAP is congruent to triangle CAP. And if they are congruent, I can clearly say angle BAP is equal to angle CAP by CPCT. And if this is true, that means AP bisects angle between line L and M. Okay, that is what I needed to prove them. So hence proved. All right, bachcho. Direct question. Just look at the diagram carefully. Next question. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle in triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. So diagram is not given. I will draw the diagram. Okay. I have drawn the diagram over here. Chalo. Let's say it is A. This is B. This is C. AB is equal to AC given to you. AD is an altitude. Chalo, AD is an altitude. Okay. What they are saying now? They are saying कि show that AD bisects BC. ठीक है. So for first one, if I have to show AD bisects BC as well as bisects angle A, I have to prove both the triangles congruent. ठीक है. So I can say, sir, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, for congruency, what do I see? First thing, I say, sir, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC because both are right angle 90 degrees. Then hypotenuse, it is given AB is equal to AC. And then I can say AD is the common side for both the triangle. AD is equal to AD. It is a common side. So which rule it is? Again, by right angle hypotenuse side rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. And once I have proved this congruency, I can clearly say, sir, first one, by CPCT we can say, oh, what happened here? By CPCT we can say BD is equal to DC. Okay? And that means AD bisects BC. It is divided into equal parts. है ना? BD is equal to DC. We have got first one proved. Second one, I can again say by CPCT, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. And it again means that AD bisects angle A. Alright. So both the parts easily we have proved. We can easily prove both the parts. ठीक है बच्चों? Okay. Now, next thing before I move for the next question, the important thing is, guys, Vedantu has got 120 plus selections from 17 different states in NTSE stage 1. All right, and the count is still going on. So you have got the new address for the toppers, and you can also be an NTSE scholar. You can join NTSE crash course as well. Okay, guys, now let's go for the next question. ABC is a triangle and D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC. The perpendiculars from D to AB and AC are equals. So this DP and DQ are given equal, and D is the midpoint. That means BD and CD are also given equal. Alright, and these are perpendicular. So angle P and angle Q are given 90 degree. Okay, this is the question given to you in this question. Okay. Prove that triangle is isosceles triangle. So beta, first thing I can say, sir, in triangle BPD and triangle CQD. I can say, sir, in triangle BPD and triangle CQD. By first thing I can say, sir, angle P is equal to angle Q, both are 90 degree. Second thing I can say that, sir, BD is equal to CD because D is midpoint of BC. It is given, so BD is equal to CD. And third thing I can say, sir, PD is equal to QD. And it is also given, altitudes are equal. So again, by RHS rule, triangle BPD is congruent to triangle CQD, and if they are congruent, I can clearly say कि sir जी BP is equal to CQ. अब देखो, this question I can finish it very easily only with this congruency, but since I have not taught you the properties of isosceles triangle, I'll do it in a different way. ठीक है, तो I have got BP is equal to CQ now. Now the next step, what I'll do, guys, I will join this A with D. Alright, and I've got two triangles now, triangle APD and triangle AQD. So now I will say, sir, in triangle APD and triangle AQD. First thing, again, beta, here also this angle is 90, this angle is also 90. So angle APD is equal to angle AQD. Both are equal to 90 degrees. Then the side opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse is same. So AD is equal to AD. Then we also know that DP is equal to DQ. Given. Alright. So again, by RHS rule, by RHS, I can say triangle APD is congruent to triangle AQD. And after that, I can again say AP is equal to AQ. Okay? Alright, let's say this is my second equation and this is my first equation. Now what I'll do, guys, I'll add both these equations. So if I add equation 1 plus equation 2, I will get AP plus BP is equal to AQ plus CQ. So AP plus BP is equal to AB and AQ plus CQ is equal to AC. And if AB is equal to AC, I can clearly say triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is what? Isosceles triangle. Okay, bacha? This is how this question will be solved. Okay, so without using the properties of isosceles triangle, I am solving it. If you know the properties of isosceles triangle, you know it can be solved very easily. Okay, bacho? Now, coming to our question of the day. This is a very important question. Alright, what it says? AB is a line segment. Okay. P and Q are 2 points on the opposite sides of AB. One is at the top, one is on the bottom side. Okay? Such that each of them is equidistant from A and B. See figure. So it is given that AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to BQ. Okay? It is given to you that AP is equal to BP and AQ is equal to BQ. This is given. Alright. They are saying show that the line PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. This line PQ is perpendicular, that means PQ is perpendicular to AB as well as bisector. So you have to prove C is the midpoint. ठीक है, तो guys, first thing I saw, AP and BP is given equal, AQ and CQ is given equal, also PQ is the common side. So let's talk about triangle APQ and triangle BPQ. ठीक है, so I can say, sir, in triangle APQ and triangle BPQ, I can say, sir, AP is equal to BP, AQ is equal to BQ, and then PQ is equal to PQ. So which rule it is? Side 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 rule. So I can clearly say, sir, by side 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 rule, triangle APQ is congruent to triangle BPQ. Once I got that these two triangles are congruent by CPCT, I can say this angle and this angle will be equal to each other. Yes or no? Similarly, I can say at Q also they are going to be equal. But I think any one of them would be sufficient for us. Okay, so I am writing by CPCT. Now I can say that angle angle APC is equal to angle BPC. ठीक है, angle APC is equal to angle BPC. Let's say it is equation 1. Now beta, let's do one thing. Let us take this two triangles, triangle APC and triangle BPC. So I can say, sir, in triangle APC and triangle BPC, देखो, earlier I didn't know these two angles are equal, but after proving the congruency, I know that these two angles are equal. So I can clearly say, देखो sir, first thing, AP is equal to BP. Second thing, angle APC is equal to angle BPC from equation 1. Yes or no? From equation 1 we know this. And then at the end I can say PC is equal to PC, common side. So now I have got triangle APC is congruent to triangle BPC. Beta, now if these two triangles are congruent, first thing, angle PCA is equal to angle PCB. Angle PCA is equal to angle PCB. Let's say both are equal to x degrees. Also we know angle PCA plus angle PCB will be equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair and they both are equal by CPCT. So write both of them as x. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. 2x is 180, which means x is equal to 90 degree. So I have proved that it is perpendicular. Now bisector, again beta, if these two are congruent triangles, I can also say AC is equal to BC by CPCT. Alright, so I can clearly say, so let's say, so this is equation 2 and equation 3. So we can say from 2 and 3, PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. From 2 and 3, we can say PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. Alright, ठीक है. So 2 times we have done the congruency in this question, and that is why it was a very important question. ठीक है बच्चों. Alright, so with this we have finished this session, and in the next class we'll be talking about some properties of a triangle. Now this is your homework question, and I would really like that you give me answer for this question in the comment section of this video, so that all the students who will give me the correct answer, their name I can show you in the next class, and you will be our homework stars. So don't forget to write your answer in the comment section. Okay guys, all right, ठीक है बच्चों. So this is your homework question. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. Show that angle B is equal to angle C. ठीक है, and from this only I am going to start the next session, important properties. So this will be one of those important properties. ठीक है guys. So the quote for today is, the day you take responsibility for yourself, the day you stop making any excuses, that's the day you start to the top. All right, so it's very important, take responsibility of your own actions. Okay, don't give excuses to yourself. देखो, when you give excuses to the world ना यार, it's still fine कि अरे यार sorry यार I could not do it, है ना. You wanted to go to a party but you have to study, so you made an excuse कि अरे यार I have some work at home. ठीक है, I understand. When you make excuses to the world, it's all right. Sometimes we need to do it. But when you start making excuses to yourself, कि you know you have to study and you are making excuses कि अरे no problem, you can do it tomorrow also, don't worry yaar, it's not your fault, you tried your best, although you know yourself that you have not tried your best, you got less marks, no problem, sometimes happens, you tried your best, now you are giving excuses to yourself. So don't give excuses to yourself and take the responsibility of each and every action of yours. You'll be at the top. All right, guys. So this is all. I have told you that you can register for Vedantu's Pro subscription. Don't forget GPE Pro to get the benefit of 10% off on the price. All right, guys. So a very important thing for all of you, and also this course comes with the guaranteed improvement. So if you don't see any improvement by the end of the year, take your whole course back and use this. You'll not find anywhere else. Also, bacha party, remember the batches have started very soon, है ना? So don't think कि when the batches will start, that time only I'll take the course. All right, you can use the duration between by starting micro courses, because the time is going and time doesn't wait for anyone. So instead of waiting till 16th August for the new batch, you can take now. All right, and then you can continue. And if you want to enroll in 16th August batch, meanwhile you can use the time using micro courses and you can start completing your topics. ठीक है बच्चों? So this is all in today's class. Thank you so much for joining through the session. Please don't forget to like this video, guys. Share karo this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.